Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add a bank account in Amazon for refund. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, log in to your Amazon account by typing in amazon.com, and once logged in, we're going to go to the top right and click here on your profile. And then a drop-down menu will then appear, and we're going to simply go to Accounts. On the next window, we're going to go to Your Payments right here, and then we're going to go to Add a Payment Method here on the left of the screen. After that, we can add a new payment like FSA or HSA cards, credit or debit cards, Amazon store card, personal checking accounts, or even an EBT card with information. For this video, we're going to add a credit or debit card. And from here, we're simply going to fill in our credentials, including our card number, the name on the card, the expiration date, and our security code. And once done, add your card right here. Don't forget to choose the link right here. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!